Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about InShot video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to crop your video into a different size in InShot editing app. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on video section. After you open up your InShot, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you upload your video. So I'm going to select this video, click on add video. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you swipe this way. Then go ahead and make sure you select crop. Then you have different default templates right here, such as Instagram, 4x1 Instagram, 9x16 Instagram Reels, YouTube size, TikTok size, different size, as the case may be, all and all. So you can slide in and see more. So if you want to repurpose your video for Instagram Reels, you can simply select Instagram Reels. Then you have to adjust and make sure that you do not left out the area that is very much important in your video. Once you're satisfied, click on this check mark right here and you are done. It's that simple. So you can adjust your video from the home tab right here. So it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your InShot app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.